Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows. Alright, let's dive in. Method number one, uh, clear Roblox cache. Just press Window plus R from your keyboard. You will see this box. Type here percentage local app data percentage. Now press enter. Now here find Roblox. Just select any one of these folders and press R. And here you will see Roblox. Click on it. Click on Roblox Studio. Just click on Web View, eWeb View. Now here select default. Now here you will see this cache folder. Just right click with your mouse and click on this trash icon. Now if the problem still persists, just go to settings. After that go to apps, click on installed apps and here type Roblox. Okay. Now here just click on this three dots. Click on advanced option. Scroll down to the bottom and here just repair and reset this. Okay, if it doesn't work, try method number 2. Uninstall and reinstall Roblox. Okay, in order to delete Roblox, just go on the search bar and type control panel. Here, click on uninstall a program, find Roblox. As you can see, these are two apps for Roblox. Just right click with your mouse and click on uninstall. Uninstall these two apps and all the folders which you see over here. Now in order to delete Roblox permanently, what you have to do, again press Window plus R from your keyboard and here you will see this box. Just type again percentage local app data percentage. Now here you will find Roblox. Just right click with your mouse and just click on this trash icon. This will delete Roblox permanently. After that, just go to Chrome and go to Roblox official website. And click on any one of these games. Just click on play. And here you will see this option download and install Roblox. Just click on it and it will automatically download Roblox. After that, just click on it and install the Roblox file. Alright, after reinstalling the Roblox, just go on the Roblox app, right click with your mouse and here click on properties. Now here go to compatibility and make sure you have checked this box, run this program in compatibility mode 4. Click on OK and just click on apply. After that, again go to Roblox and click on run as administrator and enjoy your gaming. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.